Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I am taking you along while I decorate my fall coffee bar station or coffee station or a coffee corner. This video is part of a challenge that is hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and her sister, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. They had asked us to share our coffee bar stations, coffee corners, so that is what I'm doing. So there will be a playlist as well as a link to both of their channels, so make sure you head on over to my description box and check out both of their channels as well as the playlist. And if you are enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button. So I have this sideboard in my formal dining room that I have been using for several years for my fall and Christmas coffee station. This tray that I have with these little buckets I DIY'd over on my DIY channel, and I like to decorate those seasonally. For this time around, I am using cotton stems to decorate it, as well as some rustic pumpkins. Just like the sign that I DIY'd, I like to use a lot of my own DIYs in my decor, and I just recently posted over on my DIY channel and my home channel home tours. On my DIY channel I talk about all the different DIYs and how I'm using them in my decor, and over on my home channel, so on this channel, my home tour is simply that, a home tour. I do love pumpkin spice, and that is what my coffee bar is all about, is pumpkin spice. Lots of pumpkins. I am including some syrups for pumpkin spice lattes, as well as some cinnamon sugar and just regular sparkling sugar, as well as some butterscotch crumbles. I do like to play around with my design. I'm never first time is a charm type of person, so you will see me change out the signs. I did remember that I DIY'd a different tray that I wanted to use on here as well, so I ended up changing that around. And then I typically use a 2-tier tray over here, but I have been using it since last Christmas over in my kitchen, and I absolutely love the way it looks there. But now I felt like I was missing that 2-tier tray, so I ended up picking up this tray from my basement. Actually, it is a dessert tray, but it will work for this season, and then I should really look into maybe DIYing a tier tray, or maybe even buying a new one. So here it is. My coffee maker is in espresso. This is just a special time coffee. I don't use this every day. All of my pods for it are flavored. There's hazelnut, vanilla, and caramel. The pumpkin pie sign, the tray is a trash to treasure makeover that I did recently. There are my syrups over there. This lovely donut pumpkin I DIY'd, and the little salt and pepper shakers I'm using for cinnamon and sugar sprinkles. We've talked about the tray with the cotton, and I love adding copper this season, that burnt orange color and copper color throughout my home. So this is why I'm using my Moscow Mules mugs for it, but I figured they can be used for pumpkin spice lattes as well. The candle that I'm burning is a Bath & Body Works in Harvest Gathering. It's the White Bean collection. And here is that tier tray that I was talking about, as well as my DIY pumpkin spice and everything nice sign. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little decorate with me. I would like to thank Kimberly and Kenya for hosting this challenge. I have participated before. I'm planning on participating again. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. And if you're brand new, I would love it if you considered subscribing and joining my YouTube family. And I would love it if you checked out my DIY and cooking channel as well. They're all linked down in the description box. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.